Hey, it's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to show you my healthy cream-free curry cream of mushroom soup. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need some butter. I'm just going to use up some tabs of butter that I have in my fridge. I'm just using 2 tabs to make the roux. And you're going to need some flour. I have some flour there, nutritional yeast, mushrooms, and curry powder. You can salt and pepper to taste after adding the powder. And let's make some mushroom soup. Take a look at these giant mushrooms I have. Look at how big that is. It's huge. This is my hand. This is the mushroom. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut up the mushrooms and then we'll get to the next step. Okay, so I have this knife. It's the wrong knife, but let me do. Okay, so I just put in a spoonful of flour and I am constantly stirring so it doesn't burn. Then I pour a cup of water and just try to dissolve my blonde roux into the water. It is all bubbling, boiling. We're gonna add our curry powder. I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful. So there's the curry powder. Mix thoroughly. That looks really good. We're going to add the nutritional yeast. Okay, there's the nutritional yeast. Stir that in. And then I'm going to add water. Okay, stirring in the nutritional yeast. I'm going to add this water in. And basically stir that into our gravy sauce. Okay, then we add the mushrooms. And you can just stir this into the soup. The mushrooms will cook down and absorb all that beautiful curry flavor. And I might add a splash of milk in here after the mushrooms cook down. Okay. Are you salt and pepper to taste? Okay, I'm gonna add a splash of milk. Just a little bit. Maybe a little more. Just to cream it up. Okay, here's the finished soup. Delicious, healthy curry mushroom soup. Yum.